founded the company when I was in year 2 students in SMU. So during that, I think during that 6 months internship, I got to expose to all sorts of technologies into hacking. So I thought that is fascinating how we use technology to create values for business, because that is what SIS paid us for.
You kids, young kids, uppity kids, came out as experts in touchscreen technology before the iPad, before the Microsoft development.
So we actually got a project working with Bankmaster, the largest bank in Oman. So the bank needs a new way to connect to the customer. That's where we come into the picture. We create values by creating interactive solutions, by creating iPad applications, iPhone applications. So today we are serving UOB Bank. We serve the different segments, UOB, the core banking segment, the wealth banking segment, the private banking segment. So if today you go to the WBC, the wealth banking center, you walk inside, you can see our solution, our touchscreen is being deployed there. We use touchscreen to serve higher network customers. So you have to connect with people at a different experience. My training in SIS is that they always train me to think that technology is always an enabler for business. So once you can convince the top management to buy a solution, the next is about execution. That's where your technical skills have to come in. That's where your project management skills have to come in. Yeah, we actually do analytics as well, because we deploy a lot of touchscreen out there. We have a lot of apps and iPad apps, iPhone apps. All these apps are actually data collection points. Right? We will say, out of so many products that UOB is offering, your investment product, which are the things that people is buying, which are the things that people is not interested, and how long people spend to look at this product.
So what I did in SMU is actually a very good training ground for me, because I'm really very trained to really be able to talk to users. Because we are project based, so we are always talking to users to find out requirements. On the other hand, because we are so trained technically, right, we learn how to learn to a point that we can pick up any technology anytime and be able to really support the users. That's really one way to my job. I was given the opportunity to be a deployment manager. So what is a deployment manager? So for example, right, we want to implement a system for a client, right? So what happens is they have the old system and they want to switch to something new. So they will get this person to go there, come and shut off the old system and start using the new system. Okay, so the impact is huge, because for me I was delivering a finance system. If let's say something goes wrong, right, the company can go for days without being able to do any payment or collect any income from the customer. And so after having the plan, right, straight away I need to talk to a C-level executive. I need to talk to the chief finance officer of my client. And my current project, I'm doing actually business intelligence reporting.
Okay, so you're working with the public sector to help them implement a new type of analytics solution based on their data?
In my role, I don't actually develop anything with my fingers on Java and so on. I call myself a change influencer in the company. But every day, we face competition from Singtel, M1, and even smaller players and global players like Skype and even Microsoft. Those guys are trying to cut into our revenues. I worked with IDA together with other telcos and banks to launch the NSE payment ecosystem in Singapore. It wasn't about programming languages. It wasn't about just analyzing systems. It was about figuring out a business need, not just business need, a user need, something that every one of us here wants. So we can touch, we can feel, we can think about. Back in 2012, we decided to bid for Euro exclusively, and that meant we had to share it with Singtel. They'll be catching up the replays for every 2 matches in the bid, while you're sleeping, turn on that tablet watch. So we thought that is the real use case, that's the real usage of the technology. People will watch it that way. Let's create something for them. So we spent 1.5 years putting in the network elements, creating a user interface that people easily navigate through and watch. Right, checking whether the bandwidth is sufficient for the video compression, things like that. So we created it. Can we really create products that are backed by analytics? Can we create a mobile app that not just let you buy things online? 6 months was spent in Vodafone, Netherlands. It's not startup, it's startup partner. I saw how they work, and it's the structure and the long-term planning that I really appreciated. I admire that, and I wish that some Singaporean companies have that mindset. You plan for success in terms of years. That also influenced my thinking that to build analytics for the future.
So then, in my new company, everything changed from listening to instruction and following like checklist or date. It came to a point where people just come up to you and they just ask you, we found a standalone PC. The standalone PC is just a PC that's not connected to the bank network. And that's a problem, because it's sending bank's information to another place. It's just sending out there, no one's monitoring it at all, and that's a problem. What I'm doing in the bank is actually information-based management. So usually on a daily basis, apart from doing assessment of application, whether there's any loopholes, where there's a gap, you tell the business, say, this is not right, do something about it. The challenge I face, which is actually the one that keeps me on my toes all the time, is where they give me ad hoc requests. And seriously, the requests can come from anything. It can be things that you learn in school, it can be things that you don't even know about. Like, seriously, how am I going to explain technical jargon to people that you've been learning business all this time, and then you just scratch your head, draw diagrams, and everything, and then you go back to them and say, these are the things that, we recommend you to do. And then I have another one where it says, my boss is telling me, another thing, these are all the problems, do a gap analysis, I've done the gap analysis, he said, even present it to students, and like, I've already for 6 countries in APAC, and I'm presenting the same over and over and over again to risk management. They're going to ask me questions, and guess what? I will not be able to say, hold on, I know everything, I go back to the computer and do research. I cannot do that anymore, I have to do it like upfront. On my toes, and I'm like,
But this is real, and the big thing is, RSIS kids do it. That's the thing. That's the thing. It's this capacity, and it's the capacity that you got to figure it out. We will figure it out. We will figure it out, and that's really a value that really, in some ways, makes the SIS students a little bit special.